guys and girls. This is our house in Zephyrhills. We clearly struggled to pick a paint color. So what we're doing today is soffit. So we're doing aluminum soffit all up the gable here. And then we're gonna come around the bend here. We're gonna do that. That section's done already, which is great. Then we're coming here. We're gonna do this gable end. And then back here used to be a sunroom, screened in room we tore down. So we're going to soffit, J-channel, this whole area here. And then I'm gonna put 6-inch gutters up here along this. That way we actually get the water off instead of it going down. We just recently got a new roof with solar, as you can see on the other side. We have already installed that door, that window, and that door. And the fence is done to here, all the way across to here. So we're gonna redo from here over. There's one panel left. And then this whole section, since I tore the room down, I have to bump this out about 1.5 feet. Pretty much the length of that panel you see there, and make that all work. But that is the plan for the next couple days. And then at some point I will finish the concrete here, and we will go ahead and remove all the furring strips, fix the electrical out here. We'll cap off this water where it used to be a sink, and yeah, we'll get all this concreted up and looking good, and then we'll paint it and trim it out and paint it and get all that done. The house, I believe, is going to go something similar to this color. Not positive yet, but that's the closest one I remember her telling me. So yeah, that's what we're doing here. We do cars, we do houses. So I just got done killing the wasp nest, and yeah, this is our other house. So I think another project we're gonna tear all this paneling off of the shed here and add in a couple windows and probably put some T111 or something up, some kind of paneling, and paint it to match the house. That way it all looks good. But anyway, this is what we're doing. Just thought I'd give you guys a peek, and this is the part 1 of the Zephyrhills house reno. So keep you guys posted, and probably make you another video at the end of the day just to let you see where we got. And yeah, we'll be here today and tomorrow. Talk to you guys later. Bye.